Welcome to Animals TV!
In the golden African savanna, a roar echoes across the land, the mighty Lion King, symbol of strength and courage. Welcome to Animals TV. Today, we explore one of the most powerful and fascinating animals on Earth, the African lion. Did you know, lions are the only big cats that live in groups, and that's their secret to ruling the savannah. A lion's roar can be heard from 8 kilometers away, a powerful way to say, "This is my land." 5. Look at that mane, it's like the lion's crown. The thicker and darker it is, the stronger and braver he is. They're not just fierce, lions are loving too. They greet each other by rubbing heads and cuddling close. In the pride, lionesses are the hunters, smart, fast, and perfectly synchronized in teamwork. The males act as guardians. They'll fight fiercely to defend their pride and their land. Lion cubs are so cute and playful. They climb on their parents, chase each other through the grass, and roll around laughing under the morning sun, a joyful start to life in the wild. As the sun rises, the pride stretches and wakes up, ready for a brand new day full of life in the golden savannah. The lion is the second largest cat on Earth, just after the tiger, but just as powerful and proud. A lion's body is built for power, broad shoulders, strong chest, and muscles that move with every graceful step. But the mane is their crown. The darker and thicker it is, the more respected the male becomes in the pride. The mane isn't just for show, it protects the lion's neck during battles, like a natural armor. Their eyes are amazing. Lions can see 6 times better in the dark than humans. At night, their eyes glow like golden gems, helping them spot prey in the dark. A lion's jaws are terrifying weapons, with 8-centimeter fangs that can bring down prey in one powerful bite. And those claws, they're retractable daggers, gripping the ground while running and locking onto prey when hunting. Did you know lions can sprint up to 80 kilometers per hour? But only for a few seconds, their power burns bright and fast. From head to tail, the lion is a masterpiece of nature, beauty, power, and pride in perfect balance. Out on the endless plains, lions are never alone. They live, hunt, and protect each other as one big family, called a pride. A pride can have 10, even 20 members, brave lionesses, a few proud males, and lots of playful cubs. What's special is that pride members are family, sisters, cousins, mothers, and daughters, bound together for life. When it's time to hunt, they move like masters of strategy. One group stalks in the grass while another blocks the escape. Perfect teamwork. When the prey falls, the male arrives, not to steal the meal, but to guard his pride from hyenas and nighttime thieves. After the hunt, they rest on the cool earth. Gentle growls and soft sighs blend with the evening breeze. Peace returns to the plains. When a cub is born, every eye in the pride watches with care. The lion Andes share the duty, guarding, grooming, and guiding its first steps. Every playful pounce is a survival lesson. Each leap and tumble helps lion cubs grow stronger and braver. In the wild, unity means strength. A lone lion is vulnerable, but together, the pride is unstoppable. As the sun sets, the pride lies close together. No words, just a look, a soft touch. That's what family means in the wild. The lion's home is the African savanna, where the sun burns red, the wind smells of dry grass, and every creature fights to survive. During the day, temperatures can rise above 40 degrees Celsius. Lions stay cool by resting in shade or lying close to the cool earth. When night falls, the savanna transforms. That's when lions truly wake up and begin the hunt. Their glowing eyes work like torches, spotting prey from afar in the endless dark. In dry lands, lions can survive for days without water. The meat they eat provides all the moisture they need. But when they find a water hole, they drink, splash, and rest together, a rare moment of peace. Sandstorms sometimes come without warning. Lions crouch under bushes, close their eyes, and wait for the wind to pass. When the rains return, the grasslands bloom again. Lions walk through fresh green fields, marking their land for the next season. Lions don't hunt just to eat, they keep nature in balance. Their hunts give life and space for other creatures to survive. Whether in the burning day or silent night, lions stand calm and majestic, as if the wild itself belongs to them. Did you know lions are the most talkative cats on Earth? They use over 20 different sounds to talk to each other. They roar to greet, growl to call their cubs, and thunder to claim their land. It's their own wild language. Amazing fact, a lion's roar is so powerful. You can feel it rumble in your chest if you're close enough. Female lions are fearless warriors. They can take down prey 3 times their size. Male lions are tireless defenders. They can battle for hours to protect their pride. They can hear another lion's call from over 8 kilometers away. Their hearing is super sharp, even in strong wind. Even kings have enemies, hyenas, crocodiles, and sometimes other lions. Here's a fun one. Lions don't usually climb trees, but sometimes they do to escape insects or enjoy shady nap. When they grow up, young lions leave their pride to find new families, spreading their strength across the savanna. Every roar, every step of a lion reminds us, nature is powerful, beautiful, and worth protecting. Lions aren't just hunters, they keep nature in balance, making sure the savanna doesn't overflow with grazers. Every hunt removes the weak or sick, helping herds of antelope and buffalo stay strong and healthy. Because of lions, the circle of life keeps turning. Grazers, hunters, and the land itself stay in balance. But sadly, wild lion numbers are falling fast. Only around 20,000 remain in nature. The main threats are habitat loss, shrinking prey, and poaching as humans take more of their land. But there's hope. People and organizations are working to protect lions, restore forests, and stop poaching. In Africa, children learn to love nature from a young age. Because the lion's future is their own future too. A single healthy lion can revive an entire area. Grass grows, wildlife returns, and rivers flow again. When humans and lions share the wild, we're not just saving a species, we're protecting the very soul of our planet. So let's keep loving nature, because where lions live, there is life, hope, and the heartbeat of the wild. Wow, we've learned so much about lions. Now it's time for a fun quiz. Who remembers best? First question, what do lions eat, meat or plants? If you said meat, that's right, lions are hunters or carnivores. Next question, who leads the pride, the male lion or the female lions? Correct, it's the brave lionesses. They hunt, raise the cubs, and lead the way. Final question, how far can a lion's roar be heard to 1 kilometer, 5 kilometers, or 8 kilometers? Exactly, a lion's roar can travel up to 8 kilometers. Amazing, right? Remember, lions aren't just strong, they stand for courage, family, and protecting nature. Together, we can keep nature strong by loving animals, planting trees, and caring for the earth.
Bring the water quickly.
Thanks for exploring lions with Animals TV. See you on our next adventure. Can you guess which animal's coming next?